What is up, guys? It's Brillymister here and welcome to today's video. If you do enjoy the video, then don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe, and hit all the links up down below to Twitch and Discord. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, and welcome to what is going to be like my first actual attempt at an IRL kind of filmed video. So I asked you guys in like a little YouTube community post some point middle of last month. I was just starting to redo sort of my studio since I'd moved house. I had my own sort of room for it now, and I was going to actually put a little bit of love, time and effort into this room, whereas before I kind of just had a desk in a room with a computer on it. So I was going to actually put some love and make this one look really, really nice. So I asked in a community post whether you guys would like to see that, and it's something that you guys all seem to say that you would like to see. So here it is. Please don't judge too hard my IRL filming abilities. Like I said, I've not tried anything like this before, so I can't imagine my camera work is going to be the greatest, but I hope that nevertheless you do enjoy the video. So I thought I'd show a little bit more progress on the setup of my room. So as you can see, the old desk has now been completely removed. Managed to get rid of that, completely sold that. I haven't yet done the peel. I've been saving the satisfying peel. But yeah, you can now see I've got my new desk here, which is, it's a worktop. If I come from this angle, you might see better. Got my Xbox in the corner as well, so I can play a bit of Warzone and stuff like that. And yes, this is my setup so far. This is pretty much how it's going to stay. I've just got a bit of work, so I need to get myself some like cable raceways, because yeah, that's not great cable management over there. But hopefully that'll be resolved fairly soon. I need to kind of find a more elegant solution as well for the cables and also for the cable for my microphone, because it gets a little bit in the way. I'm kind of okay with the cables under here. I mean, I could get some sort of cable raceway or something for it, but I mean, the cables they're in like a rack, so it's not the worst thing ever, but it's also not great. I could improve it. But yeah, it's much nicer. I've now got my PC is basically up on the desk and on show, whereas before it was hidden well out of the way. And I've just got so much more space. So in the future, I want to change and get matching monitors, and especially ones that can go onto monitor arms, which would be really cool. But yeah, so this is my progress so far. I just need to get all my trunking and everything sorted along, and bring some kind of Ethernet cable all the way upstairs as well, which will be absolutely awesome. But I thought I'd just show you some progress with the setup. Got to get that peel. So we're here now. I've completed my setup. I've got my cool little RGB backlights I got put in, which is awesome. They're also controllable with my phone, which is absolutely awesome. There is only one wire here, which I can't work out an elegant way of routing that wire for my microphone in any way at all. But the rest of it, I'm pretty happy with what I've done here. So I got some cable trunking or cable sleeving, and I've sleeved all the wires around the back, and they go under there. And then I've even sleeved the extension lead all the way around till it goes up under to the thingy. And I've wall mounted, and if you can see it, I've wall mounted my power strip as well, which is awesome. So yeah, I've got my Xbox, my screens. I've got a cool animated dashboard, animated screensaver or home screen thing as well, which is pretty awesome, which I think goes really nice in my color scheme. So it's like blue, white, and grey slash kind of a pinky color that the LEDs go to at the moment. I'm kind of undecided about what I want to do with the LEDs. I think this looks pretty good for now, but I'm not 100% yet. So, you know, at least they're customizable and I can change them whenever I want. Also got myself a cool new mouse. Got that only a couple of days ago. Nice Corsair scimitar, so I can put some nice keybinds on the side, and hopefully that'll help with some actual PVM, so I can actually put some more switches on there. But yeah, I'm definitely very happy with how the setup has come out. It's definitely a massive improvement over what I had before, which is, yeah, it looks absolutely awesome, I think, personally. And yeah, I'm very happy with the result. So really hope you did enjoy the sort of little look around my little setup and like my little studio tour. Really did hope you enjoy it. It's something that I've quite enjoyed making. It's very different from anything that I've ever made before, so apologies about some of the recording quality and the fact that my phone's microphone sounds a little bit odd occasionally. But yeah, it's definitely something I've really enjoyed making, so if you have also enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future, probably RuneScape content, probably not IRL content. But if you did enjoy the video, until next time guys, see ya.